Good morning, guys. It's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and welcome to another video. And if you're new here, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. I'm up early before everyone else this morning. The sun just fully rose. I've been sick for almost 2.5 weeks. First a cold and then bronchitis. And you can probably hear it in my voice right now. And the house definitely shows it. But you know what? There's something peaceful about meeting the quiet like this. Just me, the Lord, and a cup of coffee. She rises while it is yet still night and provides food for her household. Proverbs 31:15. You know, I used to think that verse was about being superhuman. Now I see it's about her heart posture. Even if all I can offer is my presence and a broom. Being a homeschool mom means your home is never still. It's full of learning, noise, and life. When I've been sick, it piles up fast, and that's okay. Today isn't about catching up, it's about inviting peace back in. She sets about her work vigorously. Her arms are strong for her tasks. Proverbs 31:17. I'm not feeling strong today, but I can move one little bit at a time. Homeschool moms often feel like they're failing at everything, cleaning, teaching, keeping up. But the Proverbs 31 woman wasn't praised for perfection. She was praised because she watches over the affairs of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness. Proverbs 31:27. Watching over my home doesn't mean controlling it. It means caring enough to keep trying even when I'm tired. And maybe it's the fall air, but I'm grateful for a new rhythm, slower, softer, still faithful. My kids are older now, and this season looks different. I'm learning to let them carry more, not because I'm tired of helping, but because I'm teaching them stewardship. And let's keep it real though, I am a bit more tired. She opens her mouth with wisdom, and teaching of kindness is on her tongue. Proverbs 31:26. That's what I want for our home: kindness, teamwork, and grace. These are some tips that I'm going to give you as I use for myself. Since my kids are getting older, I realized that I need to shift from doing everything myself to training them. That's the season I am in now, moving from constant reminders to real responsibility. If you're in that stage too, here are a few things helping me. 1. Write clear, age-appropriate tasks. 2. Post the chart somewhere visible. 3. Praise progress more than perfection. I'm calling this our new family reset routine. Not because we've got it all together, but because I believe in starting fresh. If you're cleaning right now or sitting in a home that feels like too much, just breathe. You're not alone. This is real life, and it's holy ground. Even when there are socks on the floor and pumpkin seeds in the sink. We're not building perfect homes, we're building peaceful hearts. And even if today you only get one room done, that's enough. If you're watching this in the dark morning or late at night, take a breath. You're not behind, you're becoming. Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. You're not building perfect homes. You're building peaceful hearts. And when the light of the morning finally touches your windows, may it find a woman who kept showing up in love. Thanks for spending this quiet fall morning with me, friends. If this gave you a little peace or motivation, hit subscribe and tell me below what verse or routine keeps your home grounded in peace. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.